In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix EA Sports FC24 DirectX error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So this DirectX error is likely due to outdated or incompatible system components. So I've outlined a few different ways how we can fix this. So the first way is to update our graphic drivers. Alright, so press the Windows key on your keyboard and then type in Device Manager. There it is there, and go ahead and open it up. Then from here, click onto where it says Display Adapters, and then right click on your graphics card or driver, and then go ahead and click on Update Driver, and then click on Search Automatically for drivers. And now, if you've already got the latest version of those your graphic card drivers, it's going to let you know here, but if it doesn't, go ahead and download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Then the next thing we need to do is open up a web browser and go to Google, then type in DirectX and user runtime, then hit search. From here, we want to click on this first link here, DirectX and user runtime web installer. And then once you're on this page, we want to go ahead and click on download under a DirectX user runtime web installer. That's going to download it and then open it up. If it doesn't appear there, go ahead and go to your download section in your computer. Then from here, simply I accept the agreement, click next, uncheck the install the Bing bar unless you want Bing bar. Then from here it's going to set up DirectX, so click on next, and then it's going to start downloading, so it's going to give you a download estimation time at the bottom here. It shouldn't take too long. Alright, so once installation is complete, go ahead and click on to finish, restart your computer, and that should fix your EA Sports FC24 DirectX error.